This is the all-new PELICAN Shield MagSafe Wallet by Pelican Cases, and in this video we're going to take a look at some of its features, specifications, and some real-world testing. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, Hong here, welcome back to the channel. I recently published a review video of the PELICAN Protector MagSafe Wallet. If you've not seen that video, I'll add the links to the end of this video and in the description below. I've been using the Protector for the last 2 months, my first MagSafe compatible product, alongside the G5 Personal Field Utility Wallet, which I've been using for well over a year. I keep my ID cards and not commonly used credit cards and debit cards in the G5, and my 3 most frequently used debit and credit cards in the Protector. This is not a sponsored product or video, and I will be sharing some personal opinions later on in the video. But first, let's get this recently released PELICAN Shield wallet out of its packaging for a closer look. The PELICAN Shield is constructed with a tough polycarbonate material, TPU plastics, and an aramid Kevlar fiber panel manufactured by DuPont, designed to provide maximum protection and security to your contents inside. Aside from offering military-grade drop protection, one of the key differences between the Shield and the previous generation Protector is that this new MagSafe wallet comes embedded with aluminum RFID blocking plates, preventing potential thefts if you keep debit or credit cards inside. From my research at the time of this video, I'm unable to find more details on its water-resistant ratings, but based on my personal observation, due to its similarities with the Protector, I will assume it to be similar at IPX4. If any of you know what the actual water-resistant ratings are, please share them in the comments section. Thank you. Weighing in at 68 grams or 2.4 ounces, it measures about 3.9 inches in length, 2.8 inches in width, and about 0.56 inches in thickness when closed up. This makes it slightly heavier and slightly thicker than the Protector, but still significantly less than the hardcore G5. I do have to say, after having it in my hands for the past few minutes, you will feel the weight difference. It's there, it's not a big difference, but yeah, you're gonna feel that difference. Just like the Protector, it has a snap latch on the side, which opens up flat for quick access to your contents inside. It also has a tough removable strap on the left side for cash or cards, and a slot compartment on the right side for cards. As stated on the packaging, you could slide up to 5 cards inside, 2 on the left and 3 on the right. This is after all a MagSafe compatible wallet, which means there will be certain limitations to storage space given how weight and dimensions need to be considered. But just like the previous generation Protector, the magnets on this Shield is really quite strong. In fact, it is supposed to be able to hold up to 3 times the weight of your phone, so not going anywhere. Now that we've gone through some of its specifications and functionality, it is time for me to take this out to the real world and let the future me tell you all about it. See you guys in 2 weeks. Alright, so it's been 2 weeks since I've started using the PELICAN Shield MagSafe Wallet, and right off the bat I have to say I love how you could now have 5 cards inside, 2 on the left compartment and 3 on the right. This increase in capacity actually makes the Shield a little more practical than the Protector. In my personal opinion, it is a great option if the 3-card capacity of the Protector is insufficient. I no longer take my G5 out with me, as I could now safely store my ID card, driver's license, and my 3 most commonly used debit and credit cards. Like I mentioned 2 weeks ago, or in the case of this video, a few minutes ago, there is a very slight but noticeable weight difference between the Shield and the Protector. However, from my day-to-day use, I barely feel the difference, and now that the Shield has an RFID blocking, even better. I have tested the RFID blocking on the Shield and it works perfectly as stated on the packaging. The magnets are strong and will stay firmly attached to your phone. It even goes well with clamp-style phone holders in your car, such as this one from 67 Designs in my Jeep. You could even slide the clamp open with one hand. Whether this works out for you or not will of course depend on the kind of phone holder you have in your ride. Just like the Protector, while it does make the overall package thicker and heavier and bulkier, I really like it. It feels good and there's more to hold on to, I guess. And also a good base for your pinky. Something I forgot to mention in the earlier segment of this video are these little angled ramps at the top of the card compartment that makes sliding the cards out a whole lot easier. Having said that, because of the way they were designed, depending on how many cards you put inside the Protector or the Shield, they will rattle a little bit. That wraps up my 2-week review video and first impressions. Thank you so much for joining me. If you found this video useful or entertaining, please do consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Do consider to check out my Pelican G5 Personal Field Utility Wallet and my Pelican Protector MagSafe Wallet videos if you haven't already done so. Thank you for your time. Take care of yourselves. Peace out.